guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant crystal candle holder and vase set. And so what you're going to need some of these pearl napkin rings. They are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree you will need 3 of the fishbowl shaped candle holders or whatever shape you like to use. You will also need 3 of the taper candle holders, and you will need 1 pack of the round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders at Dollar Tree, you can use whatever shape they have in stock. That will be fine. I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will link those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant candle holder and vase set turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.